It's Chris. Today I present you one of the best tools I ever made for OS X Yosemite. The tool's name is Efi Yosemite Box. This is the tools. You just need to download and open this box. And you see inside the box lots of folder. So the main file is this one, the main box. This is the opening the bash terminal window, and you have your options. Just click here and you're
Welcome to Efi Yosemite Box.
In the box. Now I show you today all option for using the box, and you see it's a very powerful tools, because I'm regroup inside this tools a lot of things for Hackintosh, lots of applications created by a developer, and this box you can create two USB installer, one standard USB installer, one create install media. You see here option A, option B, and you can create the DVD for OS X Yosemite with the Bootloader Clover. You can create the OS X image raw for restoring inside Windows, and you can create the package Clover, Bootloader, UEFI, and Legacy, and ESP system partition, and you can create package Chameleon Bootloader Air 2570. And I show you all the steps, guys. Watch the video, it's very important, because the box, it's a lot of thing. This box is very complete. This is the name I found. Sorry my English, I'm French Canadian, and I do my best today for explain to you on English. And I just start with the application, with the option. If you want to open application, okay, just I'm try to open the Clover Theme Manager. It's a letter P. You just type P. You see, this is the Clover Theme Manager. So I'm closing, and for returning inside the box, inside the option, you type any key. You see, I'm type any key and I return in the box. Now I want to open show hidden file. It's a letter M. You see, this is a show hidden file. All application inside, you just type the letter all options. Now I open Clover configurator. It's a letter G. You see? Now you need to quit here for Clover configurator, and I return inside the box. Okay. Now I'm start with the important things. I'm create the USB installer. Okay, you just need to USB 8 GB or 16 GB. I'm using today external drive USB 3.0 500 GB. The creation of the drive, it's about 4 minutes with this USB drive. If you're using the normal drive USB, it's a 22 minutes. It's a time, you know, you need to waiting. So that's why I'm using all the time, I'm using external USB drive HDD. It's very fast. So for creation the USB drive, your drive need to without space. The name is without space. You see here the get info. Don't try to using the box with the name like this, okay, with the space. You need to rename your drive. If you have a space in the name, just rename your drive before. Not need to format the drive, just rename on one name. Today I'm using the name USB. So I want to create the USB drive. For using the box, you need on your application the installer OS X Yosemite from the Mac App Store, not from the internet. It's not working, okay? You need this one for the Mac App Store. It's free, and download this and you're okay to using the box on the right way. So I'm starting the box. I'm starting with the installer USB installer. I'm type A. You see, I need to type the name of my drive. It's a USB. I'm type USB. Now I need to type installer, and I type my password. That's it. It's starting. The drive is format automatically on one partition, GHFS plus GUID partition. Now you need to follow all the time what is on the terminal, because don't drink the coffee or go to sleeping. It's not time to sleeping. You need to follow, because you have to type the password sometimes on the terminal window. Now I type my password for accepting the installer. That's it. The process is start, and I see you. I told you on my USB drive it's about 4 minutes the time. The process is almost complete, and I'm just waiting at the end, and I show you the next step for create the package for bootable drive, for making this drive bootable. You have 3 options. You see, all the step is you viewing. All the step is on the terminal. You see, the install was successful. Now just type any key to return. And if you want to this drive is a perfect vanilla drive, eh? You don't have no keys, nothing inside that, okay? Just the Apple file, vanilla file. Now okay, if you want to create a UEFI bootable drive, you just need to type the A and the package Clover only UEFI, this one. Now I'm start my package. I continue, change the location, it's USB installer. I'm install on that, and you see the Efi partition with this drive is mount. See this? That's it. And this is Clover only UEFI Air 3196. That's it, guys. It's a Clover on that. Only one kex is a fake SMC. This the UEFI installer. And if you want to choose the legacy package, you type F. Okay, and you receive your package legacy, or if you want the ASP package, you type J and you have the ASP package for the drive. Okay, now I'm just eject the Efi partition and I get info of this drive, and now I'm starting the create install media. This one I'm moving on the trash. This drive is perfectly bootable with the UEFI motherboard. Okay, now I'm start the create install media. It's option B. Need to type the name of the drive. It's a USB installer. Now I need to type installer and my password. Bingo, that's it. The drive is reformat, and now I'm create install media with no you don't need to install the package. The package is installed automatically. Now I just need to type my password, and the drive is starting with the OS install create install media. And I see you, and I show you the drive when is mount. You see install OS X Yosemite, and the package is installed automatically, Clover Legacy. You not need to install the package for this option. You see the process is start, and at the end the package is installed automatically. The process is almost complete with for the creation of the create install media. You see, making this. Now the package is create and is installed automatically on install OS X Yosemite. You see the drive is renamed and the package is installed on that volume. You see, Efi Clover 3196 Legacy with HFS plus.Efi. It's not the VBox HFS for the create install media legacy. You need the HFS plus.Efi. So now I'm returned on the box. Okay, I'm returned for the option A. If you want to, if you have created the USB installer, and if you want to using Chameleon for this USB drive, you just need to type H, the letter, and you have your package Chameleon, and you start your Chameleon on your USB drive. You know, it's simply simple of that. All the package, okay, Clover or Chameleon for the USB drive, you have the choice. You have the choice, and if you want to using Chameleon package, by default, it's SMBIOS is a Mac Pro 3.1. Okay, this SMBIOS is a Mac Pro 3.1. If you have a laptop for creation, it's a iMac 14, sorry. If you have a laptop for creation, the Chameleon installer, because it's for this one is for the USB drive. It's not for the post installation. I show you how to using the post installer later. Now you need to change the SMBIOS if you're using the laptop for creation, the USB drive Chameleon. You just take the SMBIOS here, you copy, and you change here inside the extra folder for your laptop configuration USB drive. That's it, that's all, guys. Because if you try to booting iMac 14.2, on the laptop, it's not a good thing, because I don't think it's you have successful with this configuration. So that's why I'm put laptop here for changing for the guys using a laptop configuration. Okay, all this package inside the box, you have the possibility to change the config point list inside the Clover if you using Clover UEFI for USB drive. Okay, here you go to Clover UEFI, you go to Efi Clover, and you have possibility to change the config point list. You have possibility to change the driver, because me, I'm installed the driver, the default driver and the default config point list, and it's worked great. But if you have some difficulty, it's possible to change with the box. This is the good thing with this box, because before create your package, you have possibility to adjusting the package for your configuration. Understand? It's really good, because it's not on the, you know, sorry my English now, I search my word, but I hope you understand me what I'm saying. Okay, now I'm continue with the option. I'm eject this drive. I'm continuing with the option. If you want to create the Clover boot CD, you just need to type the letter D. One thing, the box, you can start the box from anywhere on your Mac or your Macintosh. If you want to start the box on document, download, everything, anywhere you can start this folder, Efi Yosemite Box. Now I'm starting on desktop, so you can starting on the other drive, or I can start the box here on the OCZ SSD. Yes, the box is around everywhere on your Mac or your Macintosh. Now I'm create the Clover boot CD. It's a letter D. That's it. That's all. It's very fast to creation the boot CD. Now I mount the image. You see, it's a Clover ISO. It's Air 91 3193. Now I'm moving on the trash, and now I'm create the DVD for OS X Yosemite with the Bootloader Clover. The DVD is installed automatically, is create on your desktop ISO image. This is the option. The Clover DVD, it's where is my DVD? It's Clover Legacy, Clover UEFI. It's here. C. It's a sorry. It's a letter C. It's a Yosemite DVD Clover Efi. So I just need to type my password. That's it. That's all. The DVD is created automatically. At the end, you have the on your desktop the ISO image and is mounted. It's a very fast creation of the DVD, because it's a DMG image, and the agent is converted to ISO. Is a ISO creation by the DMG, so it's a very fast. Now the he has create the ISO is almost finished. Remember, the box. Okay, you see ISO on your desktop. Now is create the ISO image. Just need to wait because now is install Clover, and this two package is deleted automatically, because this package is created by the Efi Yosemite Box for the creation of the DVD. You not need to install any package. The DVD is created automatically. It's very fast for the creation of the DVD. And next I show you how to create the raw image for restoring inside Windows for the Windows user. You see, the image is mounted. Now the installer upgrade was successful. I'm returned with the any key inside the box, and this is the DVD ISO with Clover. That's it. You have all folder for booting your DVD. It's a perfect DVD. You need the 8.5 DVD double layer for burning this image. Now I'm create the raw image is option U. The last option, I type this option, and the image raw is starting. That's it. You just need to waiting at the end, and I show you this image. What is that? Okay. And the image is almost complete, and I'll show you at the end. Now it's a convert image to raw, and is created on desktop. This image is only for UEFI motherboard because it's a Efi image. It's not for legacy. I'll show you what inside the image. Don't try to using on the legacy motherboard. It's not working. It's only for the UEFI configuration. And it works very good. I'm testing lots of time, and my tester testing this image, and it works great. It's very easy to restoring this image on Windows. You see, this image is created. Now I'm just on Mac. You not see nothing. You just need to rename the image. Okay, now I rename for DNG. You see, now I mount image, and you have nothing on this image. It's a pure vanilla image. You have only one thing. It's on Efi partition. You see here, OS X image. Now I mount Efi, and you have Clover on that partition. This is the first image. I create the first image, Efi image. I never see this. You never see this. This is Clover Air 3196 UEFI installation, and you have all driver and the config.plis for using this image on Windows. Now I'm eject the image. Now you rename this image on raw, because I renamed just for showing you. So you copy this image on HDD external USB drive on FAT32 or exFAT, because exFAT you have possibility to have bigger space on your drive. So you copy this and you go to Efi Yosemite Box. On installer here you have image writer. So you copy this folder on your desktop and you copy this on your USB drive, and inside Windows you put this on your Windows desktop, and you just need to start this with on administrator privileges, and you have restore with image writer. You need USB drive 8 GB on FAT32. Before using image writer, you need to format your drive on FAT32. That's it, that's all. And image writer recognize your USB drive automatically, and you just need to restore this image on your USB. So the Efi Yosemite box is almost complete, and I show you everything inside. The only one thing I not show you, it's a downloader option. You have the option to download Clover on SourceForge, the last one, Clover. You just need to type download Clover v2.3k. it's option S. Start download Clover, press start for downloading Clover. That's it. You see inside the folder Clover, and is open at the end. The last Clover on SourceForge. You have possibility to using Clover if you want the original package created by the developer Slice and the other. That's it. This is Clover v2.3k Air 3193 Efi Bootloader, and your Clover it's here. Now if you want to using on the post installation, because if you have installed OS X with this option, USB installer or create install media or the DVD, you need to complete the post installation. You have possibility to complete your post installation manually, but I'm create the post installer Efi Yosemite Box for the user, and this option is package post installation. The post installer it's here, it's I just need type I, and the post installer is start to download, and is open at the end. Anyway, it's here. Be patient during the download. Installer open at the end. It's depend your connection internet. So me, it's not very fast. My connection is normal, and it's fast. It's not slowly. Sorry. So this is the last option, and I explained to you. I know it's a long video, but it's very important watching the all process on the video, because it's new for you and you need to know how to using the Efi Yosemite Box on the right way. That's why I'm creating the video. You see here the POS installer is open. Now I'm just return on the box and using the POS installer. Now if you have installed OS X on your system, you just need to copy the POS installer or copy Efi Yosemite Box, and you need to download the POS installer, and you will continue, agree. You choose the drive you want to install the POS installation, and open the customize menu, and you choose your option Clover. If you want UEFI installation, select this one. If you want legacy 64-bit SATA or legacy 64-bit block BIOS block, you choose this one. Or if you want ESP POS installation Clover, you choose this one. If you want Chameleon POS installation, don't select Clover, you select PC, that's it, or laptop. If you have graphic enabler, yes, you select graphic enabler, yes, plus your PC. That's it. And for your audio sound, for me it's a ASC 898. My network is Intel Gigabyte Ethernet, and this X is a fake SMC for the plugin for using HW monitor, and this folder is a app folder create on your desktop, and inside the apps folder you have a HW monitor. You just need to drag and drop on your application, and you have that. After the reboot, you have your every sensor on your configuration, your motherboard, GFX, and CPU, all the things. Anyway, this is my video, guys. If you have a laptop configuration, so you select Chameleon laptop, and you select laptop. That's it. This is the POS installer, and it works very good, and I say thanks to all testers for testing the box, because the box is maybe almost the box is starting at on the beta Yosemite OS X Yosemite 10, so it's almost 1 year the box has created, and it's a lot of guys testing the box, and it works very good. That's why I'm attempting to OS X 10.10.3 for present you the box, guys, and I'm very proud of this installer, because it's very easy to using this installer, and is very complete. It's a Efi Yosemite Box. Quit the box. You always need to quit by letter Q. It's better to quit by this, because it's work like that. You see, log out on Efi Yosemite Box.
Closing Efi Yosemite Box.
That's it. That's all, guys. This is my video, and you now quit the terminal, close the box, and I hope you great Hackintosh for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.